Think microwaving is safe for all your food? Think again. Microwaves cook quickly, but overheating food can break down essential nutrients. Vitamins like C and B can be especially sensitive to heat. Even if it's convenient, leaving your food in the microwave too long reduces its nutritional value. Sometimes reheating slowly or steaming is the better option. To preserve nutrients, heat food just enough to warm it, don't overdo it. Covering your food and stirring occasionally also helps distribute heat evenly. So next time you microwave, remember, too much time can cost your nutrients. Comment below if you've ever overheated food and didn't realize the impact.